Before you buy any Roach fogger, there's one thing no product page tells you: most foggers don't reach where roaches actually hide. They claim to kill on contact, but if the mist can't get into tight cracks or behind walls, you're just wasting time and money. Today, I'm breaking down the real winners that actually solve that problem. Product number 1: Hot Shot Fogger with Odor Neutralizer. Let's start with the Hot Shot Fogger. This is one of the most trusted names in pest control, and for good reason. You get 6 2-ounce cans in a 2-pack, so it's great if you're dealing with a serious infestation across multiple rooms. What caught my eye was the USDA-approved formula and the fact it kills on contact while keeping roaches away for up to 2 months. If you want fast, long-lasting results without strong chemical smells, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The active ingredients tetramethrin and cypermethrin work together to knock down roaches instantly and create a residual barrier. The fine aerosol mist penetrates deep into baseboards, under appliances, and inside wall voids where roaches breed. Each can covers 2,000 cubic feet, which is roughly a 10x10 room with an 8-foot ceiling. And unlike older foggers, this one is non-staining and leaves no wet residue, so you won't ruin your floors or furniture. Now, some people complained about the odor neutralizer not fully masking the chemical smell, especially in poorly ventilated spaces. Here's the thing though, that faint smell actually means the active ingredients are still working. Just open windows after fogging and let it air out for a few hours. This is perfect for you if you're battling a heavy infestation in an apartment, basement, or garage and need something reliable and widely available. Skip this one if you have pets or small kids and can't vacate the space for at least 4-6 hours. For the coverage and brand trust, it's a solid value. Product number 2: Raid Concentrated Deep Reach Fogger. Now, if Hot Shot's odor was a concern, the Raid Concentrated Deep Reach Fogger takes a slightly different approach. Raid is a household name, and this 4-count pack uses a liquid formula that turns into a super-penetrating fog. It's EPA approved and targets not just roaches but also ants, crickets, fleas, and beetles, so it's great if you've got multiple pests. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The fog is designed to seek out roaches in cracks, behind cabinets, and under sinks, places sprays often miss. One can treat a full 25x25 foot room with an 8-foot ceiling, which is about 5,000 cubic feet total across all 4 cans. That's impressive coverage for the price. The formula doesn't leave a wet residue, so you won't have to wipe down surfaces afterward. Now, some users mention the fog can feel too light and dissipate quickly in large, open areas. Here's the thing though, this actually helps prevent oversaturation and reduces the risk of chemical buildup. Just make sure to close all doors and windows during application for maximum effect. This is perfect for you if you're dealing with roaches and other common household insects in a medium to large home. Skip this one if you need something for outdoor use or large commercial spaces. It's really built for indoor rooms. For the versatility and brand reliability, it's a smart buy. Product number 3: Conide 4.5L Electric ULV Fogger. Alright, that was a solid aerosol option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you're serious about pest control: the Conide 4.5L Electric ULV Fogger. This isn't a throwaway can, it's a machine. Priced at $114, it's a step up, but if you're treating large homes, hotels, or even doing regular maintenance, this is a game changer. If you want professional-grade fogging without hiring an exterminator, this is worth the investment. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ULV ultra-low volume technology creates droplets as small as 20-50 microns, tiny enough to stay airborne and reach deep into wall voids, ceiling gaps, and furniture crevices. It covers up to 30 feet in distance and has an adjustable flow rate, so you can dial it in for delicate indoor use or powerful outdoor spraying. The 1.2-gallon tank means fewer refills, and the 16.6-foot cord gives you serious reach. Now, some buyers complained about the plastic build feeling a bit flimsy, especially around the nozzle. Here's the thing though, as long as you handle it carefully and store it properly, it holds up fine for home use. Just don't drop it. This is perfect for you if you manage multiple properties, run a small cleaning service, or just want maximum control over your fogging. Skip this one if you only need to treat one room occasionally. It's overkill for small jobs. For the power and precision, it's a great mid-tier machine. Product number 4, SWNSOFT7 LULV Fogger Machine. Now, if Conite's tank size felt limiting, the SWNSOFT7 LULV Fogger steps it up with nearly double the capacity. At $165, it's the most expensive on this list, but it's built like a tank, literally. Made from high-density polypropylene, it's corrosion-resistant and designed for heavy use. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1.85-gallon tank lets you fog entire warehouses, schools, or large homes without constant refills. It sprays horizontally up to 26 feet and vertically up to 6.5 feet, ensuring even coverage in tall spaces. The on-off switch is conveniently placed, and the shutdown process prevents motor damage, something cheaper foggers often ignore. Here's the thing though, the wheels and handle are well designed so you're not lifting it often. Just roll it where you need to go. This is perfect for you if you're fogging commercial spaces, large estates, or doing frequent pest control. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only need occasional home use. There are lighter, cheaper options. For serious users, this is a long-term investment that won't quit. Product number 5, WO Eden 5L Electric Fogger with 3 nozzles. Finally, if you want the best balance of power, control, and value, the WO Eden 5L Electric Fogger is a standout. At $114, it's priced like the Conite but offers more features, like 3 precision nozzles and a tiltable spray head. If you want customizable fogging for both indoor and outdoor use, this is the most versatile option. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 3 nozzles create an ultrafine mist that spreads evenly up to 30 feet, reducing solution waste and improving coverage. You can adjust the flow from 150 to 330 ml per minute and tilt the head up to 60 degrees, perfect for targeting gardens, patios, or tight indoor corners. The 5L tank is made from durable HDPE plastic, and the smooth interior makes cleaning a breeze. Now, some buyers noted the power cord could be longer. It's not listed, but expect around 10-12 feet based on similar models. Here's the thing though, you can always use an extension cord for outdoor jobs. This is perfect for you if you need one fogger for your home, yard, and maybe even a small business. Skip this one if you need extreme durability for industrial use, go for the SWNSOFT instead. For the price and features, it's the best all-around pick. So which Roach fogger should you buy? For quick, affordable fixes, Hot Shot and Raid are reliable. If you need more power, the Conite and WO Eden offer great electric options. WO Eden wins on versatility. And if you're going big, the SWNSOFT is built to last. Remember, the best fogger isn't just about killing roaches, it's about reaching where they hide. Pick the one that fits your space, budget, and needs. Thanks for watching. Drop your questions below and I'll help you choose.